Good morning. It's Betsy with Shady Grove, and it is Wednesday, February 22nd. Harper, get out of the beds. Come here. She listens well. So I thought I'd do a farm tour today and let you see our progress. Just to remind everybody, we're in Auburn, Georgia. We're in zone 7B, though we're on the line of 7A, and Paul sometimes likes to kind of think sometimes we're more like 8A. So it varies, but on the zone map, we're 7B. We're Gwinnett County. All right, let's see the farm. These are our asparagus beds. We still need to fix them, planning to do that. And our collards, if you remember, we planted these probably 2 weeks ago, and they look great. Coming along, and these are our kales. Red Russian, they look great. And I've got dinosaur kale down there and some Swiss chard. We've got Swiss chard here. And beets down at the other end. Pear tree. And those are garlic chives under the pear tree. These two beds we'll be working on this week. Look at this. That's an anemone reseeded. Beautiful. We didn't get any of those planted this year. I would have loved it. They'd be coming up right now in winter. Lettuce bed. Looking great. We've got our green onions I planted last week. Carrots. Still pretty small. They're growing. These are the guys that made it through. Paul wants me to keep the spinach. I didn't want to, but he said to. We're gonna give him some amendments. See how they do. Got our beets. Those need to be harvested soon. Red beets and touchstone gold down here. And then our lettuce that we're hanging on to till we can get rows 7 and 8 going. This is tunnel 1. Heading into tunnel 2. Got some new rosemaries. All right, tunnel 2, we've got row 13 with some lettuce. Holding us on. We've got radishes. Look at this. Little baby radishes. This is our all-star lettuce mix. It's coming. Little babies too. Got a little friend. Hey, Sonny. Good morning. Yep, all over the lettuce. Wonderful. We got turnips down here. No real bulb yet down here. And then arugula. And we do have baby arugula with a lot of weeds, but we have a special customer that loves arugula, so we're gonna let it go and she'll get her arugula. Going to show you this real quick. This is the other all-star bed. Look how different it germinated. So we'll probably plant some radishes and turnips, something quick growing before we put a summer crop in there. And then our blackberries. Got those, some amendments, some soil, and some wood chips, so they're ready for the year. Chickens. And this is our lower plot. This will be what we're working on next. Peas are gonna go here. We're waiting on compost, but I can start getting those beds ready. We had 3 collards make it. We might get some collards to eat tonight. And then our carrot beds, very weedy, but they're still pretty small, so we may wait a minute to cultivate. We do have apple trees, 1, 2, and 3, but they're really not doing well. We're on our probably 5th year. We've got blueberries in the back, if you can see them, kind of along this row. And then we're cleaning up this fence line, so all this brush came out. We've got some beautiful forsythias. I'm gonna clean all this up today. Start wood chipping this side here and planting it out, I think, in hydrangeas and hostas. And then we did that up the fence line as well, so I'll be cleaning that out. So we're enjoying getting ready for springtime. The garden for us has never looked better. So I'm excited to see where we go. Thanks for following along. I'll post another farm tour in the next week or so, and some new videos of garden work. Don't forget to subscribe to follow along as we grow our garden. Shady Grove Farmstead. Thank you guys.